at this. all my babies here. We're leaving today. Look at them. They're very, very happy. Oh, look at this. Look at this. Huh? Look at them. I'm gonna say goodbye to them. Yeah. Look at them. Hello. Good morning, everyone. This is a good one. Yes, it's too heavy now. It's get too heavy. Hi. Yeah, wait. No fighting. Oh my God, my foot. Don't eat my foot. Wait, baby. Wait, baby. Oh my goodness now. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Woo. You like your mommy? You like your Lola? Huh? What? You have enough? You have enough? Okay. Just don't kill each other because we got plenty here. Okay? We got plenty. Alright? Okay. Alright. Oh my goodness. This is my dream. They all come to me. Yes, you got good mommy here. Yeah. Even, okay. You're so heavy. How I don't know. You like mommy? You like mommy here? Okay. Okay? You see all? Okay. Okay. How about you, Duck? Don't come to me. You're more heavier than Lola. Look at them. Hi. I'm gonna say goodbye all to you because your Lola is leaving today. Alright? We're gonna go to the place where they make money. So we can learn to make money. Okay? We go and then we go to the Prime Minister here in Australia. We're gonna see them. Alright? That's what we're gonna happen today. Look at them. Did you take photo for me and this bird all here? Okay. All my bird is in here with me. Take photo. Look at them. I'm surround with them. Here is all my friends. All my friends here. Yes, okay, yeah. Oh, okay.